Happy birthday to you, Anita. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Anita. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, Anita. Happy birthday to two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 to you. Nita, next time you go to God in prayer, I need you to remind him of the things that you need. Remind him of your name. Tell him my name is Anita, and I need a extra scholarship. I need a better car insurance because last time I needed them, they wasn't there for me. Like a bad neighbor, State Farm wasn't there. Hey! Hey! That was a spirit right there, Nita. Happy birthday! Oh, Nita, happy birthday! Wave your hands, Nita, it's your birthday! As I was just thinking, and I just said wave, this came on my spirit, Nita. Oh, say does that ivy spangled banner yet why? Girl, I forgot what the hell I was thinking about. Happy birthday! Hey, although I might be a little late, happy birthday! Oh, happy birthday! Divine Pearl 08, Mother Pearl 08, 1908, Ski Wee 08. Baby, you know I gotta clown a little bit. Ooh, hey! Ooh, ooh, happy birthday! It don't make no sense for no happy birthday to be this long. To you, UVXW, hey, UVWXYZ, YXVWU. Sometimes you ought to clown them. I can't even say my alphabets. Shame. Anita, I love you. Happy birthday. Yeah, I gotta do one more holler before I go. Happy birthday.